Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to lock your Google Pixel screen without using the power button. This is incredibly useful if your power button is broken or you simply want a more convenient way to lock your device. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, tap the gear icon to open up the settings on your Pixel. This is your main hub for customizing all aspects of your device and accessing various features. Once you're in settings, scroll down through the menu until you find the accessibility option and tap on it. The accessibility section contains features designed to make your phone easier to use, and it includes some handy shortcuts that many people don't know about. Now, within the accessibility menu, look for and tap on Accessibility menu. This feature gives you quick access to common actions and controls right from any screen on your phone. Next, you'll see an option called Accessibility Menu Shortcut. This is the key feature that will allow you to lock your screen without touching the power button at all. Tap the toggle button beside Accessibility Menu Shortcut to turn it on. Enabling this creates a floating button on your screen that you can use to access various phone functions instantly. After you toggle it on, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. Simply tap Got it to acknowledge and dismiss this message. The system just wants to make sure you understand that the accessibility menu has been activated. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll notice that 3 dots appear on the right side of your screen. This is your new accessibility menu button, and it will remain there for quick access whenever you need it. Go ahead and tap those 3 dots to open the accessibility menu. This reveals several useful options that you can access with just one tap. From the menu that appears, tap Lock Screen. Your phone will immediately lock just as if you had pressed the power button. The screen turns off and your device is secured. And that's it. You've successfully set up a way to lock your Google Pixel screen without ever needing to use the power button. This floating menu will always be available on your screen, making it incredibly convenient to lock your device whenever you need to. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.